If you have fraud in your credit, and that's what's bringing you down in terms of your credit score, the best, most efficient, and most economical way to deal with that is to get Loker Law on the case, because what we can do is bring a case on a contingency basis, meaning you never get a bill from us, whether it's for our costs or our fees, and we can file a lawsuit. And the goal of the lawsuit is to not only to get that fraud to go away, get it off your credit, have the debt collector stop calling you, but we can also get you damages. We can get you money from the entity that rejected your dispute. And it could be a substantial amount of money, 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures, depending upon the scenario, all because these banks didn't listen to you and ignored your rights as a consumer. On average, these cases, when we're pursuing banks or debt collectors or credit bureaus, on average, these cases take about 200 days. That's 6.5 months, 7 months on average. So what that means for you is that sometimes consumers think when they're reaching out to an attorney, this litigation process is going to go on for years. That's not what happens in this area of the law. These cases, when they get filed, would typically get resolved within 6 or 7 months. So if you receive a notice of a credit denial, you need to begin that process as quickly as possible. The process being the dispute process and contacting Loker Law, so that you can move on from this and have a clean slate in your credit report, get rid of these fraudulent accounts from the collectors and everyone coming after you, and you can do so in a relatively quick manner.